Rick, thanks for taking the time to connect with us. Before we jump into your use case and challenges, could you tell me a little bit about your role and team?
Hey, I'm the Director of Sales at Helix, and I'm looking to learn a little bit more about how to use this for sales follow-ups. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Supademo product update.